Alright, I got this thing all cleaned up. I gotta put it back over in the spot before I do a little more. Tires are kind of still nasty. I guess I can clean up the tires. I did the wheels in the front. Gotta be wicked careful moving it though, because every time I wash it, try to pull forward and no traction. Just barely trying to move it, spins and covers the whole side in mud again, so I always have to redo that. I'm gonna put it back over there, and then I'm gonna probably do the tips and a little more on it. Look at that. Just a nice little vacuum. I didn't do the lines on that side. I kind of did the lines on this side and the floor, but whatever. So as I said before, I got another tripod coming because this one's kind of broken. So I got a new one on the way. This one still does justice for now. I got a little hair tie thing to hold it on there because this one isn't meant for a phone. It's meant for an actual like photography camera, like someone that actually does things professionally and not with their phone. So I have to hold it on there with something. But the other one is meant for a phone, so it'll be a lot better. Alright, I don't know why this is so exciting to me, but I found the perfect spot for my 12 gauge in this car. Now, all my other vehicles, including this in the beginning, I just put it in the trunk or the back seat, or my single cab truck. I had a gun rack, so that works pretty good. But I just found out that I can put the rear seat down and then squeeze it right back there, right behind the driver's seat. Now that's just perfect. Yeah, I don't usually do this, but I'm going to try to clean the tips on the car, I guess. Why not? I never really do. They get pretty bad. A lot of soot on them and stuff. I'm trying to fix this damn mount for a second, though. Hold on, hold on. Hold on to something so don't fly around. Alright. Again, I don't do things very professionally, so if that's the type of thing you're looking for, then I can't give you that. Alright, so I got one of the mounts. A little smaller than I thought. But either way, this wasn't really the important one that I was looking for. It was kind of just a side thing that I clicked. And I can still actually use it for in the car and stuff, so it'll still come in handy. But sometimes it's funny when you look at something online and then you get it. I think that'll hold. Probably not, but... Jiggles. That shakes a little too much right there. I was so busy focusing on this little thing and trying to hook it up and like sit it in my car that I forgot to bring the tires with me to go change over, and that was the whole point of me leaving. I end up using that little one for other stuff though. I'm not going to use it for the in-car because as you just saw from that little clip, it kind of shakes a lot. So instead I'll just use the suction mount that I can go right to the T-top with, and it can hang down. That'll probably be a little more solid. Got the hood jump off the Camry. did it.
Yeah.
Sick. I definitely thought he was gonna eat the dirt. Filmed on the finest potato. Try again. He's trying to do a wheelie all the way past me. We have the all-new Stunt Rider. Gonna try to light a black cat here. See?
Ready?
Yeah. That was a long fuse. What the fuck?
Oh no!
I guess they're not all firecrackers. I almost don't even want to take these off. There's still enough life on them. Alright, well I got new tires on, but I don't know how that's gonna work. I'll put it down and see if it gets any better, I guess. Oh, that was a little quick. Holy frig, that is close. I think we're gonna be all right. I'm just gonna smooth them out right when I go down the road. A little too much tread on them. I think we're gonna be all right. I'm gonna go really slow to make sure I don't rip off the bumper, but I think we'll be all right. Next. All right, so we put the other one on and we put it down. Sorry about that. I always forget to shut that off. It's still pretty close, but before there was like no wiggle room. It actually has room. It's lightly touching, but it's not gonna hurt it. I was worried it was gonna like eat holes through the plastic, but as you can see, without the rubber, you got room. Those new tires look pretty good. I gotta trim this up here a little bit though. Every time I hit a little bump, it just hits the top of this, and as you can see, possibly from this tire, the last tire, chews little chunks out of it. Yeah, it wasn't this tire, but I like how they look. They look pretty good on it. Out, yep, up, out, yep, yep, up. I always get excited when I get a notification about deliveries at my house. Supposedly my camera mounts are there and the suspension torque arm. Oh, yeah. Two camera mounts.